Alright, good morning. Let's try this again, huh? Okay, so if you weren't here yesterday, I tried this yesterday and then got interrupted very early on. So we are cutting everything down 1/2 inch below A2 card size. And you're going to need 2 pattern papers that are front and back. I'm not going to use this side. I'm only using this side. Or 3 regular papers, 3 pattern papers one-sided. And then 1 coordinating cardstock. So let's go ahead and trim this down to 1/2 inch below A2. So that would be 5 by 3 3/4. Okay. And then you're going to need 1 piece of paper, which I usually have random ones of these cut. This is 1/4 inch below, and that's what we're going to be gluing everything onto before we put it on the card. Okay, so we are going to, oh, I still need my trimmer. We're not done with these 3 yet. Okay, so you still need to cut these. We're going to cut them all the same, so you could do 2 at a time and then 1 at a time. Since they're all going to be the same, we're going to do 2 1/4. I'm sorry, 2 1/2. 2 1/2 first. And on the big fat side, you're going to do 2 1/4. Okay, and I'm just going to set these aside so I know how they go. Then you're going to trim this at 3 1/4, the skinny end. Now remember, you have 2 there. We're going to do the exact same thing here. So 2 1/2. This one is 3 1/4. And the fat one is 2 1/4. Okay, we're going to bring these all in and start gluing. Okay. Fortunately, my tape runner is elsewhere. Okay, so I'm actually going to have these so that they are separated by color. Those 2 need to be switched. Okay, now we're just going to open up my glue. I like this little desktop tool. I don't know if you've seen these. They're little desktop tools. Okay, and they just sit in there. I like it for my glue because then this way my glue stays at the bottom and I don't have to worry about it. Okay, so I'm going to start with this guy and we're just going to go around. Actually, I need 2 of these guys, I think. So we need to trim something else. So this will make 4 cards. Yeah, let's trim this guy. I think, let's see if it's big enough. Oh, it's not big enough. So, let's see what else we have. Yeah, maybe I will be doing the candles. Sorry guys, I forgot you need 4 of these, not 3, you need 4. So you can make 4 cards. We have 4 pieces, 4 cards. Okay, so let's just quickly trim this down. 5 inch. I actually want 5 inches this way. Okay, so let's do this. We'll do 5 inches because this has an up and down. Oh my gosh, my trimmer. I don't know what happened there. That's sad. Let's just trim that little bit off. It'll just be a little bit shorter than. I just changed my blade too. It's weird. And then we'll do 3 3/4 this way. Okay. So now we'll do, that'll be a little bit shorter is the problem, but that's all right. Okay, 2 1/4 or 2 1/2 this way. 2 1/4. And 3 1/4. Okay. I'm not used to going sideways either. Okay. Set that aside. Get these ones over here, I guess. Okay. Okay, now I'm just going to go in like a rotating order. So I'm just going to go this way in clockwise order around the card that I have laid out. So this one will be this one, and then the next one will have all the others. Right, and you can build 4 cards uniquely. And this one is actually flipped, it's this long one. I'm only going to build one with you guys, I'll build the rest later. But there's the cute little candles. Okay. Now, that one is going to be upright because the candles, all of these are going to be upright. There's a directional. I don't usually like to do directionals on this type of card. Sorry, I forgot you guys are orientated differently. Okay, so let's choose another color. I'm digging in my scraps, guys. I always acquire a lot of scraps at the end of the year, thanks to Christmas cards and such. Okay, but here's a lagoon, and I think I'm just going to trim it down, and we're just going to put a banner. Okay, so I'm going to trim it down to like 3 inches. I have lots of white daisy already trimmed somewhat. So since that one's 3, I'm going to go down 1/4 inch. And let's see, just making a banner. It's 1 inch, so let's do 2 3/4 by 3/4. And this is a happy birthday paper pack, so we'll choose a happy birthday stamp. Okay, anyway, let's see. I don't know if birthday will fit. Sorry guys, I always forget that I can't rotate my camera anymore. It really annoys me. Guess that wasn't long enough, huh? Birthday wishes would have been really cool, but that's okay. I'll put celebrating you today. And then you can always stamp happy birthday on the inside. I'm going to do that in sapphire. Well, no, my sapphire's up there. Let's do it in black. Sorry, I have some of my stamps and such out in the kitchen area. That's where I do some of it. The kids are busy. Okay. Oh, that looks good. Last step is to glue this on to a card base, which I think I have out there. Let me see if I have one. It'll be a long stretch, but I may have one in here. I have plenty of those size. Let's see if I can just make one. Oh, no. That's not what I want. Looking for either a base or something that we can make into one. This'll work. Now we're getting crazy. Usually not this is organized. Sorry guys. First video of the year. Guess it's in after 2 months. Okay. Let's do 4 1/4. Yeah, we'll make it open weird, huh? Yeah. And then this will be by 11. We'll make it open differently than a normal base because we can, because we're making it. Okay. So, and you're probably like, well, why don't you just use your scoring tool? Guess where it is? It's in the kitchen. With everything else right now. Okay. Let's go ahead and get this on here. Oops. Told you we had to keep it upright. And here I'm going to skew it. Okay, so fold is at the top. There we go. I'm going to put it all the way over, just to make it a little bit different. There, celebrating you today. So there's the final card. Thanks for joining me. You guys have a good one. You can make 4 cards out of this. Enjoy. Bye.